Assalamu alaikum, good evening. Today we are going to learn the Fortinet active and active, how it will be established and how it will work. You have browsed to, if you see my previous video, I have given the active passive. So this is a second video for that one. In this one we will do the active interfaces. So active interfaces is like if both are active, so they will do the load balancing. Actually one will be master and one will be slaves. So what happen in the master, master will give some tasks to slaves to reduce his overload. So this will be at like this if both are active at the same time. So if one goes down, then other become active, the other will remain active, and the functionality will going on like this. So there is also priority settings. For selecting the master we have to give more priority, more value of priority, and for the slave we have to give less priority. So if in the previous video when we are doing active passive, so we need to do the preemption to revert back to the primary and secondary, but here there is no preemption is required because actually we have high priority for the master one and slave one is active. Suppose if this one is down, this master will be down, this slave will take over, and then suddenly this master will come back. So what happened, we want master this one and slave this one. So this has a high priority, so it will become master again and this will become slaves again. So this will be work like that. So I will tell you about that my topology because I have created this sub interfaces in this port 2, and I have connected 3 servers there. One is HR, one is account, and one is CCTV. So I have created the sub interfaces there. I will show you how, if you want to see how to create inter VLAN routing and sub interfaces, you can browse my previous video. So this is our high availability interfaces. So this is our management interfaces. We will access this firewalls from here. So we will go jump to our firewalls. So first we will access my firewalls. This is my master firewall. So this is master firewall. As you see, I will show you the interfaces which I configured here. One is HA interfaces, which is port 3. If you see, this is a port 3 HA interfaces. So second one is the port 1, where I configure the management interfaces. So management interfaces will be configured there. Through this one I am able to access this one. So the other one is our sub interfaces, which I created here in the master only, and these are the sub interfaces there. There is account VLAN, CCTV VLAN, and this one. So I have given the interface VLAN IP address there, which I have given there. So then I have created one zone in that one, which is inter VLAN zone, and in inter VLAN zone I added these VLANs, so it will communicate successfully to the router. So first we check the connectivity in these our devices. One minute, maybe it is on already. So I will go to HR, and what I will do, I will try to ping my sub interface. First I will do the show command here. In show command you see this one I have configured. So it is a simple command, IP 192.168.10.2, and you can put the subnet mask and then gateway. It will be added in that one. So now I am trying to ping there 192.168.10.1. So I am able to reach till that sub interface. So now I try to ping this 20.2. So I will check my inter VLAN routing is working or not. So yes, it is working. So same I can test in another one. So my inter VLAN routing is working there. So what I will do, when we configure the HA, we will down one of our firewalls and check the ping. We are connecting the ping here or not, because all the data from here will be copied here. If you want to see this slave firewalls, we do not have any sub interfaces there. So after the sync, these sub interfaces will be created there. You see here in system HJ, in interfaces, you see there is no sub interfaces there. There will be plus sign there, so only this port 2 is there. So from the master, if we go to master, if you see the interfaces there is a sub interfaces there. So all these sub interfaces will be copied in this slaves automatically now. So this is automatically sync up, and Badin sync, then it will if we stop one, then other will become active. So now we will start our configuration. We will go to master, and we will go to system and HA. This HA is a standalone. Active passive, I already make the photo. This is active video we are doing. We click active. So what I will do, this is my old documents is coming, so I will give the 160 priority, and what I will do, I will do the AA.HA, active HA. So I will change this password also. I will put 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, here what is we required, port 2 we will add, because this port need to be monitored. This port need to be monitored, because if this firewall is down, this will take over there like this. So this firewall can handle this traffic. Okay, so what I will do, port 2, and here we will add this, what is our HA interface, we will add there and close. So always remember this HA group name and password should be same. This will be our master, so we will give more priority here, and we will give less priority in our slaves, so that when the master will after failure, master will come back and it again become a primary or master firewall. So this is all the settings we have to do, and then I will click OK. It will take time, and then we will go. First we need to finish this one synchronization, then we can start this one. So I will not click OK in the slave till this functionality will be completed. So what I will do, I will go there in system, and I will go to HA. I will go in active, and what I will do, I will give him 100 priority, active, and give the same group name as I have given there, and same password I will give there, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So same type of interface we will select, port 2 and port 3 for HA. Okay, and close. First we check that this is sync is finished, then we can click OK here. Now it starts syncing. So now we will our this IP is 202, so it will disconnect, because only one IP will work, which is the master 1201. So we will lose the connectivity here, because it will take time to sync there. If you see, this second sync will come here, so it is syncing. Leave it to complete, because it's all the interfaces, sub interfaces, and all the configuration will be copied in our slave one same. So Badin copy, this green will come, then we can start testing this sync. See, we lost our disconnection in 202. We need to wait for this sync complete. It will take some time to complete the sync. Now our sync is completed, so both our firewall is synced now. So what we have to do, you remember when the one device which is sync, I told you in the previous video that we need to reboot only that device which is taking the data from the other. So we need to restart that device so that the configuration will be implemented properly. So we need to restart this device, that is our this slave one. So what we will do, we will stop here. This is stop, and now we will start it again. So it will take time to come back. Now we got both primary and secondary. So this is our primary and secondary. So we have there. So we do not have any ping to 202. If you see, this is a continuous ping. We can test this again. We do not have ping to 202. Only 201 is acting as a for both firewalls. So for both firewalls, these 202, they both are in 201. So they are doing the load balancing right now. Some of the task doing this master one, he is also giving the task to the slaves, so they can divide and load balancing the work with each other. So load on the master will be reduced by using the slave when both are active. So this our is now we will test. We will down one of our primary firewall and check the connectivity. Before doing that one, we will start a ping here, continuous ping here. Like I am in account server and I will try to ping 10.2. that is our HR1. So it's a pinging here. So what I will do, I will stop my this one firewall, master firewall, directly, and I will check what happened to the ping. So there will be two disconnection, and after two disconnection, this will be up, the interface will be up. So this is a very reduced TTL time there, so it will connect automatically. So now what we will check? We will check the firewall, which firewall we are right now. So I will do that one, 201 again. We will enter the firewall and we will check which firewall we are right now. You see there is a slave firewalls we have. So we have active firewall only slave one. So this slave one is showing as this one. So we will go to HA and check what is happening there. In HA we have only one firewall available right now. So now this is a primary. Suppose in your firewall this one down, came back after few minutes, and then you know that it will remain as a master and it will become slave. So but we have adjusted the priority, we have given more priority to this master. So this will swap automatically here. So we will test that one, how it will come back to master, but then it turn it on. So I will start it on my firewall and I will check there what happened to my this one. Still I am in slave. So I will go to the system HA. So we will wait there for doing this one. Still I have in slaves. Now I need to type it again. And I will check which firewall we are right now. You see this is the, now we are in master firewall which was down before. So again due to the high priority, the master become as a primary again. So we will check in our HA that it is primary or not. Yes, we have this high priority has become as a primary also. So this is our lab, and so we check that how active will work, same like active passive, but there is a priority. We have to adjust the priority in between them. There is only difference of priority. So we will give high priority to the master and the low priority to the slave, so they can divide the work. So master can divide the work to the slave, like he can give some of the related tasks to the slaves when both are active. So when one is down, the second will take over as a active, and then when the master one will come back, it become primary again due to the high priority. So this is our lab for this one. Hope you understand. If please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, and also comments about any videos if any improvement is required. So kindly guide me about this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.